Also einmal mehr von der PDAC 2016. Unser heutiger Gesprächspartner ist Dave Hodge von der Zimtu Capital Corp. Ein sehr interessantes Unternehmen, über das wir jetzt den Dave ein bisschen genauer befragen werden. Dave, welcome. Please tell us, what is Zimtu Capital all about?
All right. Zimtu Capital Corp is listed as an investment issuer on the TSX Venture Exchange. It's trading around 18 cents or so. Essentially, we're a project generator. We do that through a series of partners, either geologists or prospectors, and we stake ground and sell it to other juniors. We're also involved in company creation through either the CPC program or as an IPO, and we've been very successful at that. In order to support both those things, we have a cooperative marketing program that those companies then are allowed to participate in, and so that makes us an appealing partner to other juniors because they're going to get some exposure to Zimtu's network of investors.
Thank you. So that sounds as if you have a couple of very diverse companies under your roof, so to speak. Please tell us a bit about which do you think are most interesting at the moment.
Well, it's hard to single them out, but certainly Commerce Resources is one of the first companies that we created, and we've been working with Commerce for about 15 years now. I was formerly the president, although we now have a new president in Chris Grove, and it has a world-class rare earth deposit in northern Quebec and a tantalum niobium project in British Columbia. Some of our newer companies you might find of interest, Bjorn. We have a new deal that just started trading a couple of weeks ago called Nickel One. And it's a nickel project that has an existing old discovery, and now a new company has taken it on under the name Nickel One. I think you can see some excitement there. We have a situation, the Voltaic is one of our newest deals, and it's essentially a reorganization of a company called Prima Diamonds. We'll change its name at the end of the month here to Voltaic, and it has a spectacular lithium discovery in Utah, and it has an artesianing brine that comes to surface all on its own, and it's 1,700 milligrams per liter. The highest in Nevada at the moment is in the 350 milligrams per liter, so it's 5 times richer. That's a pretty exciting deal. We have another lithium project in the Northwest Territories in a company called 92 Resources. That's relatively new. But Zimtu is essentially marketed on the basis of the value of all of its holdings, most of which were created by Zimtu itself.
Okay, thank you. So, well, you spoke of lithium. Commerce Resources is rare earth. Commodity that has gone up quite a bit in the last couple of weeks and months is gold. So do we have a few companies in that space too?
Oh, certainly. We could hardly be in the resource sector and not have a gold company or two. We have GTA, which is a gold company. We're in the process of supporting a company that is taking an old gold mine in the Northwest Territories, putting it back in production. That's the Lupin mine. So that's quite exciting. But basically, we're exposed to gold, copper. Well, we even have a company in that new modern space of medical marijuana called Trueleaf. We're actually very diverse in the commodities in which we're involved with, and that diversity of exposure is one of the things that makes Zimtu strong. You know, we've got copper, we've got, you name it, we have a company in that sector.
Okay, thank you very much.